As you can see, I'm lying down. I just woke up and I'm trying to trade. Uh, that's my first trade. Now, I'm actually using what's it called Signal setup, and I think the Signal setup is going to be available. Uh, I'm going to post it on my Signal page so that people can be able to use it. But you have to use it very time. It has to be very timely. You can't enter late, make delay. Mind you, I'm not using all this their display. I'm not using all this their display because most times it's misleading. Sometimes they are correct, sometimes they are not. But I have my own calculation, my own way I use to sort it out so that I'll know when it's a bit lesser risky to enter such trades. It may take a while for you to wait for it and get it done, but once you get it, you'll be confident that you're going to get results. Now, you don't have to even start the process by risking or losing money. You can start small, no matter how it is, start small. Start by finding out how much result can I obtain if I do this thing for a week. Okay, if I do this for a week with this, let's say like this, how much return can I get? Based on your efforts, based on your results that you get, you will now approach it that way and start doing. That's how you treat it like a business. You don't just say because you want to start trading. Now, this accumulator allows me to enter one and wait till accumulate. I can wait for it to accumulate. I continue winning, continue winning, continue winning, and then I exit. Continue winning, I exit. If I'm doing that way, I'll be gambling the whole time because that's exactly what they want me to do. But I'm not doing that. I'm just taking, let me look for where I can be within the mark and then I can do trades that can make me profitable. I don't need plenty. You don't need plenty to be profitable. Okay, you don't need plenty trades to be profitable. You just need few trades, consistent, and then measure your. You have periods you can use to measure your yardstick. I don't think I'll be able to do another trade because I'm still feeling sleepy. I want to go back to sleep. Already, this is already more than $10, so I can even make my withdrawal self. Remember, I have a rule. Once it's more than $10, I collect. I don't wait. As long as it's more than $10, I collect. And I use a payment agent, and I'm recommending you Bakare Pay. Is very, very, what was it called? It's very reliable and very fast, and it can do big volumes as well. Okay, it's one of the top this thing in. Okay, you can see me collecting. I don't wait to. I'm telling you now. I'm telling you. So you will not say somebody brought you to come and trade, and then you are not making money. You are losing money. The only reason why you are losing money is because of your greediness. You have made money before, you lose it. Then you now blame somebody else for your losses. Can you not see that you are the one doing yourself? Oh, sorry. You can see about me. Oh, I'm still feeling sleepy. I'm supposed to do two trades, but I've only done one. I'm okay with one. So I'm showing you for some. Okay, you may wonder, but you say you only made like 50 cents now. That's what you thought. This this whole money is profit. Eh? Eh, this whole work that you are seeing now, everything is profit. So I'm not mandated to also trade again with profits. You see how fast. Can you see how fast withdrawing with payment agent is? Can you see how fast withdrawing with payment agent is? very fast. So it's as fast as this. God bless you. I'll see you in another video.